Hi guys. Okay, so some of you have expressed some difficulty with locating some things in the course, so I wanted to kind of do a walkthrough video for you for how to find everything you need for the rhetorical analysis unit. So you're going to go under modules. You can go through under assignments and quizzes, but it's not as well organized and it might be harder to find what you're looking for. So if you go under Module 7, go to Start here. You'll find your Start page. The Start page gives you kind of an overview and the instructions for what you need for this unit. So this kind of describes what rhetorical analysis is and kind of an update on the class. Here's the major due dates. The lecture dates for each cohort. If we're still doing that, I'll find out in about 2 hours if we're doing that. And the main types of work that you'll be doing, the rhetorical analysis booklet and PowerPoint, the online exercises and reading strategies, and the major due dates, which will be November 8th, November 13th, and November 16th. And then we have a bit more detailed breakdown of what you need to do here. So here's read the booklet. You'll be expected to read the entire booklet before your rough draft is due. Here's how I suggest breaking it down. Review the PowerPoint presentations on reading strategies and rhetorical analysis. There are also video lectures as well where I go through as we would in class. I kind of talk over and explain everything, so you can review those as well. Complete the exercises on the dates and submit your rough draft, peer review, and final draft on the 8th, 13th, and the 16th. So let's kind of go back over here to the module and look in more detail about what's there. Let me go back to where it loads. Okay, so you can see your course materials are here. The reading strategy PowerPoint, the reading strategies and rhetorical analysis booklet, a couple of example essays, and I haven't uploaded it quite yet, but there will be a rhetorical analysis, writing rhetorical analysis PowerPoint that goes with these two videos here as well. Then there's a reading strategy video lecture that goes with this, and a rhetorical analysis walkthrough where I walk you through the process of writing a rhetorical analysis step by step. These videos are about 15 minutes each, and you're welcome to look over them to replicate what we normally do in lectures. And then you have all of your assignments. So here are your online exercises on reading strategies, an exercise on MLA and text citation. It looks like a quiz because it's easier to do it as a quiz in Canvas, but it counts the same and is treated the same as an exercise like these other assignments are. Rhetorical analysis exercise 1's due on October 30th. The second one's due on November 6th. Third one's due on November 6th as well. The rough draft is due on November 9th. Peer review is due on November 13th. The rhetorical analysis essay is due on November 16th. And if you did miss class, and there were attendance exercises. So that should take us through all of the assignments for this unit, and should give you an idea of what you need to do next and how you need to do it. I know I've given you a lot of time to go through and read this because you're finishing up your compare-contrast essays this week, and I didn't want to overload you. And that'll allow you to focus on those, and then to be able to do this unit in your not in your spare time, but in a timely way over the next few weeks. It is a lot of information. The rhetorical analysis booklet is about 40 pages. And I do want you to look over these samples as well. And I think there's one more I'm going to add into. So definitely you have more time. Don't wait till the last minute to do it because there's a lot that you'll need to do. So that's your walkthrough, and hopefully that makes you feel a little bit more confident about what you need to do for this unit. And I will see you guys soon.